Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram app not updating to its latest version. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to update Instagram to the latest version, you need to simply tap open your app store if you're using iOS, or you can simply open your Play Store if you're using an Android device. Go in your search bar, type in Instagram, and right over there you can find the app itself. So as you can see, if there is a update button instead of open, simply tap on the update to install the latest version. And if the issue still persists, try to clear the cache of your Play Store and data. Simply go to your settings, go to your app section, and in the apps you can simply find your Play Store app right over there. So simply go and tap on your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store as well, you can simply tap on the storage option and tap on clear cache. After doing this, you can simply fix this problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.